Hello everybody, welcome to an unboxing video. I never do these. I will never do another one. But today, I will be unboxing... That is what I will be unboxing today, right now. Anyway, so let's open this. Has a seal on it. I don't have anything I can use to cut it. Okay, I'm gonna have to... Let's see if I can do this. I can't. Hold on. I will be right back. Right, okay, I'm back. And my choice of weapon is barber scissors that are rusted and gross. Because, you know, you just had these there. I really do just have these rusty old barber scissors, just gross. Alright, well here we go. There we go, got it open. Is there more? Okay, no, there's not more. Opening it. Okay. Let's take the foam out. Oh man. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, well here's the actual thing. Here's the actual thing. This is... It's still in the wrapper, but this is what it would look like. And these... Oh my god, of course. These will be lit up. And it would be awesome. Okay. Alright, let's set this over here. Now, what's in the box is this. It's manual, I think. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Alright, it's the installation CDs. They're in here. They're right here. These are the installation CDs. Alright, okay, I'm gonna put these over here. Alright, oh, these are stickers! Look, they're stickers. Machine, native instruments, and then like this thing, and then that thing, and then these things. I'm gonna decorate this. I'm gonna put one of these native instrument instrument things on, like right here maybe. Then we have the cord, and that's it. After this cord that's it. Looks to be USB. I think I might just mess with it right now. All right, let's see. I even have it prepped to show my computer screen. Yeah, I even have it prepped to show my computer screen. Right, okay, back to the other one. Okay. Where's my scissors? There they are. I really hope I didn't cut anything. The wire. Alright. So let's actually put this together. Do I have a place to put my thing? I do have a place where I can plug this into. Okay, but first let's take this thing out of the package. Oh my god. How do we do this? Oh, it's right here. What it looks like out of the package. Shoot, son, this looks nice. And it's super light too. Alright, we're gonna be setting this up today right now. This is really sleek, I'm not gonna lie. Just look at this. This is super sleek. Y'all guys can see my TV with it. Don't look at that. Okay. Wow. Alright, well let's hook these up. Y'all guys won't be able to see. Y'all guys won't be able to see me hook it up. But it's gonna be hooked up, alright. Okay, there we are. There we are. It's on. It's on. And I think I might have to use my camera over here just to get like this. I think I'm gonna set that up already. I'm gonna set it up over here just because it's better like that. Okay. Let me move over here. Okay, there we go. So that's that setup. You can barely see it right there, but it's set up right here and you can kind of see it. Kind of. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's just get over there. It says the Groove Production Studio, and then like there's all the keys and all that. Then there's the actual pad things. Yeah, so good. I can tell you that right now. What does that say? F1 MIDI, F2 instance, F3, and then control. Okay. Wow, okay, well I believe that's good for this, so yeah, I'll put them on my computer later. And there we go, okay. Set that off to the side. Now we gotta start putting this stuff together. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching me to unbox this. And yeah, I'm getting all the stuff done, like I'm actually downloading the software. It's taking a long time actually, but yeah. All right, see you guys.